Well, August is recognized as Make a Will Month. A recent survey by Care.com shows despite the pandemic, only a third of Americans have a will or living trust. Patrick Simasko is here with us now to talk about the importance of wills. He's an estate planning attorney and financial advisor with Simasko Law in Mount Clemens. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I am great. Thank you so much for asking. You know, it's a heavy topic and sometimes we don't want to think about it, but it's so important. Why is it so important to create a will?
Well, just the last segment just proved it. One person was really sick with COVID and two people passed away. And if you don't have your tools in the toolbox set up, the government gives you a toolbox. So it's really important so you can say who gets your stuff and who do you want to be in charge if you pass away. But also more important is if you get sick, who do you want to make your decisions while you're sick and can't go to the bank or can't tell the doctor to have the operation and things like that.
So can you explain to us how a will works in the overall estate planning?
Well, the will is just one of the tools in the toolbox. It's a will, a medical power of attorney, and a financial power of attorney. A will essentially says I want to leave my stuff to my family, to my kids, my loved ones. Sadly, what we've been seeing with the problems going on in our country right now, people have been coming and cutting out kids because of political differences, which is so sad. They're too Republican or they're too Democrat. But that's your choice. You can decide who you want to get your stuff in. If you don't decide on, the law will give you a will. It's called intestate succession. So if you want to make your own decision, it's very important for you to get out there and write it down and have it done properly.
Now, you kind of touched on this a little bit, but what happens when you pass away without a will?
Well, the big thing is people think that the will controls. It really doesn't. If you have someone on your bank account, whoever's on the bank account, whoever's on the deed of the house, whoever's on the beneficiary gets your stuff. So if I say I want everything to go to my kids and you have your oldest daughter on your bank account, she's going to get it. So the idea is you want to coordinate your assets that you have with the decisions that you want so that you have the right to choose who gets your stuff. Trouble is with wills, it would have to go through probate. And that's why people start looking at revocable trusts or more sophisticated estate planning documents. Very easy to do, very common, really easy to set up.
Now, is it easy to make changes? What if you make a will and then you decide, I maybe should have done something different?
Super easy, super easy. And if you have a will or a trust, if you change the will or you change the trust, it changes all your other financial assets. One thing that's really important though, and we learned with COVID, back in COVID, we couldn't get in to have the paperwork signed. The hospitals were shut down, the assisted livings were shut down, and we weren't allowed to sign those things over the internet. And so it's really important to get the documents while you're healthy so we don't have to start slipping papers through the window or the crack of the door to get them signed up.
So what if you already have a will? What other documents should you consider making sure you have on hand?
That's a great question. It's a medical power of attorney. It says who's in charge if you should get sick and whether or not you want to be on life support. It's a financial power of attorney. Someone can go to the bank for you and cash checks and deal with your IRAs and 401k plans. Those are the two most important documents because they cover you while you're alive, but just can't do it on your own. So those are the most important. Then if you want to avoid probate, you're looking at revocable trust agreements. And then the funding documents, putting stuff into the bucket, which is controlled by the trust agreement.
Patrick Simasko with Simasko Law in Mount Clemens. Thank you for being here with us this morning. A lot of really important information that you shared with us.
Thanks so much for having me.
Of course.